Hello, welcome back to another video. These are some roof rails I bought from eBay. They're about £70 and just going to show you how we installed them. So they got two rails, 6 plastic base plates, 6 rubber seals, got 6 bolts, 2 large and 4 smaller, 6 washers and 6 caps to go in there when you put the bolts in. And that's it there, just showing him there. Pretty good finish really, they seem alright for the money. You know, time will tell with the weather and that, but they seem okay. These are for a T6 short wheelbase. There's instruction to get there, but they're pretty straightforward. So first of all, you just put the rubber seal onto the bottom. It sort of clips in. You just have to make sure it's seated all the way around. So just spend a bit of time there, just seating it in. Just have to make sure it's all in, it's not caught in that. So that's all in. Same again for the other side. Is that done? The middle one doesn't clip in, you have to put that on when you install it. It won't stay on, the middle one won't. Same again for the other one, exactly the same. Now on top of the van now you've got 4 bolts. I'll put the sizes on screen. So just undoing them now. You only need undo for how many fixtures you've got. My rail's got 3 fixtures on, so you only undo the front and the back too. Just need to put them safe now in case you ever remove your rails. Just giving that clean down with just some window cleaner stuff, that is. Just give them to wipe down. What I'm doing now, just filling the hole now with some black silicone sealant. Just pasting the base plates onto the relevant one now. You just need to so you can see the hole. Just placing the roof rail on now. Just putting the washer on the bolt. You've got the shorter ones on the outside and the longer one on the middle part. So a little bit fiddly, try and line it up, but it's okay really. So once you find the hole, just tighten it up and tight for now. Now doing the centre one. Just placing the seal on there. It doesn't actually stay in, so you have to sort of hold it in. Just make sure it's not caught anyway, make sure it's seated properly. So putting the washer on the bolts. Just lining that up again. Same again, just do it hand tight for now. Now the back one, same again, put the washer on the bolt and just line it up. I'm just doing it hand tight again. Once you're happy with them, just go back over now with your socket and just tighten them up, not too tight. And now back over the front till it's tight enough. I'm not sure if there's a torque setting for this, it might be. Then the middle. And that's it for that, just putting the caps in now. I did have add some silicone on here, I wish I'd put it on first really, but I couldn't get them back out. But I'll just put a bit of silicone around the gap. And that's it, and the next one is just to speed up and be doing the other side, exactly the same. And that's it, pretty easy job really. Yeah, quite enjoyable, you know. Good, looks good as well. You can always add something on it, as you know, the cross pieces if you need or whatever. But yeah, looks pretty good. Hope you enjoyed it. Any questions, please ask in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good 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 day. So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.